She's serious. And again, look, y'all, I got Alfredo this time. Yeah. Look at this. Nice and moist, ain't even dry. Look at that. I wish I could taste this. It is so good. I was so ready to eat. I don't even know if I told y'all I got me some toast too. Most people got garlic bread, but I'm different. I want toast. Look at it. I don't really want to put the chicken on top. Nice. Fried. Good too. And shout out to my girlfriend though, cause she threw down. This is homemade. This is not store-bought Alfredo. I didn't really get questions, like any things y'all wanted them to know about me or know about. I'm really just so yum. I'm gonna be drinking water to wash all this down. Next, I want to eat seafood. I want to try lobster. I want to do lobster. I'm not really a big seafood fan, but when I'm in the mood for it, I'm in the mood for it. This is so good. I wish y'all can try it. Look, it's not dry. When it sound like that, you know it's good. I had a lot of people tell me to do pasta though. So I decided to do chicken Alfredo. It's so good. Mm. Can y'all see those noodles? I don't even know if y'all can see those noodles. Mm. Chicken's so tender too. It's so good. It's there just right. I need all y'all right now to go subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Mariah Berry. Follow me on all platforms, all social media sites at Mariah Berry. Mm. It is so good. So moist. Mm. If y'all just joining, I just started my YouTube page. I've been, like I said, I've been watching YouTube, watching mukbangs, and I wanted to do it and start my own YouTube page. Nobody sent me no questions. Nobody asked me anything. I do thank all the people who did subscribe so far. I subscribed to my YouTube channel. This is so good. I've been waiting all day for this. This is so good. Look at that. Mm. Mm-hmm. It's so good. Mm. She did that for real. Look how it's just dangling off the fork right now. Noodles ain't hard at all. When I do the seafood challenge, well, I don't know why I keep saying challenge, but when I do my seafood mukbang, I'm gonna try to give y'all a video once a week. Once a week, I'm gonna try to give y'all a video. And once I do my seafood, I'm gonna have the whole thing. Lobster tail, blue crab, snow crab, shrimp, my sauce. But I might do takeout though. Maybe some crab stop or something. It is so good. I forgot to get a good thumbnail. I just rushed right into it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of getting full though. The pots are so thick. This is so fun. Y'all see? She cooked this from stretch. I'm getting so full. I'm about to tap out. I got my napkins. Well, y'all comment, like, subscribe. Sorry. I'm so full. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. It's gonna be. It is so good. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I need all y'all to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mariah Berry. And I'll see y'all next week. Bye.
All right.
Sorry, babe, I couldn't do it this time.
This time, but I think that we need to talk about like what else needs to be